What is going on, everybody? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about HRF Concepts Magwell. Now, this is really cool. I paid about 70 bucks for it, and it's specifically designed for the M4E1 lower from Aero Precision because they have this little flared out magwell. I was kind of skeptical at first because of what it was. But looking at it, this thing is really well made, and I mean, good. It is way better than what I expected. Way better. So let me get this put on the gun because I can't show y'all how to do that because they'll ban my video. So let me get this put on the gun, and then we'll talk about it. All right, we got it on here, and this thing looks slick. I like it a lot already. You run your finger, there's no catches, it lines up perfectly. I know sometimes you can get little things or whatever, and you can feel the magwell and stuff like that, and you can feel where the lip of the magwell kind of sticks in a little bit. So you do not have that problem here. Well worth the money. These guys did their research, they looked at everything. I'm really liking it. Fitment and everything is wonderful. There is on the bottom of the magwell right here, there's a small notch taken out, and the reason for that is because Magpul Gen 3s had this little over insertion tab, and if they didn't do that, you would not be able to insert your mag because it would bump up against that. So, ambidextrous mag release. So, I do recommend this product already. Just putting it on, I like it a lot. And man, I will make an updated video. Oh yeah, see, I even stuck it in crooked and it just, man, okay, yeah. So, yes, I'll do another video, an updated video whenever I get, I don't know, a couple of hundred mag changes through it or whatever. I'll check out how it holds up, you know, what's the first thing to go, how, and you know, I'm gonna keep a record of how long this thing lasts. And everything. If y'all have any questions, if you have any comments, I respond to them all. Drop them below. I'll check it out. I'll get back with y'all. Like I said, I'm sorry I can't show y'all how to put it on. It's not difficult anyways, but video will get banned because you can't show anybody how to do anything anymore. They don't want you to know how to be proficient, basically. So thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. God bless. I'll see you at the range.